Na tuje kwako, maana ni mtetezi wa haki za kibinadamu. Na kuna swala moja ambayo yanazungumzwa sasa, yalizungumziwa miaka mingi. Mahali shida ipo, labda walizungumza watu wengine, lakini sababu ni hizi. Inamaanisha hatuwezi toka katika kipindi hichi katika nchi yetu ya Kenya?
Thank you, Rashid and Trevor, for this important question. And listening to the government experts, and so the goal is get access. How figure it out, and perhaps this explains why the collect or by 300 billion, and which then takes to the question of the politics and the finance bill. And I think in this whole conversation, the political side, but we are missing even the political process. Unfortunately, whereas we should be economic aspect of it, the social aspect of it, the politics has taken the day. And even as we engage, it's important that we also ask those hard questions. And in asking these political questions, I would look at the public data aspect and the constitutionality of this entire process. Let's go to the public data aspect. So I appreciate especially Yvonne having gone through those conditionality. One of the things that we all need and we have seen is the fact that the ordinary Kenyan is featuring nowhere. And in simple terms, IMF and World Bank are in business to make profit. The issue of data accountability is none of their business. They are basically saying, as long as the government of Kenya, you're able to commit that you will pay the debt, we care less whether you're going to choke your people. We care less. All we need is for you to commit that you'll pay the debt. And newsflash to Kenyans, in this 3.9 trillion budget, it's important that we note that 1.85 trillion will go towards repayment of debt. That constitutes about 47.4%. 2.78 trillion towards recurrent. That is about 71.2%, and 687 billion towards the development. When you compound all the finance management act, section 15, which requires that at 30% of budget goes for development, we are now looking at least 17%. So much as these taxes are being increased in a punitive manner, we are basically saying that as taxpayers, there's nothing for us in there. We are not going to gain in any way, and so we should be concerned. And I'll then look at the constitutionality of this whole process. We are talking about public participation. You know, we are all experts in this room, and we have taken time to be able to review this particular bill. So tell me, the ordinary Kenyan, what do they know? They only know that politicians have platforms and some of us to dissect and tell them what we want to tell them about the bill. But we are sure they cannot understand what this bill is all about. So even as we are doing public participation, if there was goodwill, we would have started in the other way around by first saying, understand this bill. The parliamentary committee on finance would first start by awareness creation, conscientizing the citizens to understand and to make an informed decision when they are coming to present. The question is, who is even going there to present? Okay. Going by what we had in 2023, this is water under the bridge. Okay. We can already see the hands of IMF, and we see even the reduction in the budget. And so as Kenyans, we can say that this bill and also the budget estimate is an affront and sabotage of the economic wellness of Kenyans. Okay. And also it's important that we all understand that tax is the clearest representation of the social contract.
Okay. Let me hear what Karanja has to say on this. Karanja, what does your sector believe is the right thing to do at this point?